Running a business today can feel like having five different jobs at once. You need to create content, manage social media, make videos, write articles, and somehow figure out advertising too. But what if an AI platform could bring most of these marketing tasks together? That's exactly what Fatio AI is designed to do. In this video, we are taking a closer look at Fatio AI and seeing what it actually offers. We will go through its brand setup, social media tools, AI video creations, viral remix, image generation, SEO capabilities, and advertising features. I will also look at the pricing and some important things you should know before deciding whether a platform like this is right for you or not. Before we continue, keep in mind that features, pricing, plans, and platform capabilities can change over time. So always check Fatiga's official website for the latest information before signing up or making purchase. This video is for informational and educational purpose. So what exactly is Fatira AI? At its core, Fatra is designed as an all-in-one marketing platform that uses specialized AI tools to help business to create, manage, and scale their marketing content. Instead of moving separate tools for social media, videos, SEO, image, and advertising, Fatra brings these workflows into one platform. Its system includes tools such as Social Media Growth Manager, Video Director, SEO Experts, and Strategists, Creative Studio, and Viral Remix. And the idea is simple. Give the platform information about your business, then use that information across your marketing workflow. One of the most interesting parts start with onboarding process. Instead of repeatedly explaining your business every time you want new content, Petra can use your website and brand information to understand things like your product, audience, tone, video style, and content boundaries. This is what Petra calls brand memory. For example, the platform can store information about your tone and video style while also keeping certain content guidelines in place. That means when you move from creating a social post to creating a video or planning other marketing content, the goal is to keep the output consistent with the same brand identity. Now let's look at the social media side. Petra's Social Growth Manager is designed to help plan and create content for connected social platforms. The platform supports social accounts across major networks. Depending on the plan and available integration, you can use the AI to develop content ideas, create posts, and organize publishing through a content calendar. The important part is that the content is supposed to be created around the brand information that is already stored inside Fatia. So, instead of starting from completely blank prompt every time, the system can use your existing brand content as a part of the workflow. You can then review your content and schedule or publish it through the connected platform. But social media posts are only one part of the platform. Petra also has a creative studio focused on visual content, including AI-generated images and videos. Its AI video capabilities are designed to turn ideas, product, and marketing concepts into short-form content, useful for creators and businesses that constantly need new visual assets for social media or advertising. Instead of beginning every project from scratch, you can use AI to generate creative variations and then refine the result based on what you are trying to communicate. Another feature that stands out is viral remix. Flow is straightforward. You upload a short vertical reference video, then add your own product or person image. Petra analyzes the reference and prepares a prompt for generating a new remix video. The idea is used to the structure or creative direction for a reference while creating a new version using your own assets. Petra also provides an AI image generator with access to multiple image models. Depending on the model, you can create things like realistic product photography, marketing graphics, illustrations, or more creative visual concepts. Now, let's move from social media to search traffic. Petra also includes an SEO expert designed to help business plan and create website content. According to the platform, the workflow can include researching keywords, identifying content opportunities, generating long-form articles, and preparing client content for publishing. The SEO workspace can connect with platforms including WordPress, Wix, Shopify, Shopify, and Webflow. So the way is not only about writing an article. The goal is to move from discovering an opportunity to creating the content and then getting it ready for publication. And if you're running paid campaigns, Feedra has an ad strategist as well. The platform says these tools can analyze competitor ads, creative angles, and campaign signals, then help develop advertising concepts. The winning platform shown by Feedra include Google, Facebook, and Instagram. This consistently with the creative side of the platform because the same marketing system can be used to develop visual assets and then turn those ideas into advertising concepts. The important thing is to treat AI generated ad strategies as a starting point and review everything before spending real advertising money. When you put all together, the bigger idea behind Feedra becomes much clearer. It's not trying to be another AI writing tool. The platform is designed around specialized AI employees and connected marketing workflow. You have tools for social growth, video creations, SEO, advertising, and creative productions, while the calendar and analytics features are intended to help organize and measure the work. For a small business or solo creator, the biggest potential advantage is convenience. Instead of opening several different tools or recreating your brand instructions again and again, the goal is to keep more of the workflow inside one system. So, what does Feedra cost? Based on the pricing information provided, Feedra has a free plan followed by basic, standard, and pro options. The basic plan is listed at $15 per month, standard at $25, and pro at $59 per month under the displayed offer. The plans differ in areas such as AI credit, content save, connected social accounts, workspace, and access to AI employees. There is also separate options for warm social accounts, which is priced separately because pricing and promotional offers can change. Check the official pricing page before subscribing. So, is Feedra AI worth looking at? If you are a owner, creator, freelancer, or marketer who needs to manage a lot of content, having this workflow in one place could be a major advantage. The strongest part of the platform is the combination of brand memory, content creation, video, SEO, advertising, and publishing workflow. But it is still important to review AI generated content, verify claims, and understand exactly what each plan includes before committing. For me, the most interesting things about Feedra is not one individual feature. It's the idea of bringing an entire marketing workflow into a single AI-powered workspace. Remember, these were informational purpose and features, and pricing can change, so always do your own research before signing up. If you find this walkthrough useful, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. And if you want to explore Feedra AI yourself, you will find the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.